Question 24. A pattern is made from 4 identical squares. The sides of the squares are parallel to the axes. It tells you the coordinates of these points here, A and B, and it wants you to work out the coordinates of C here. So we know, because we know about coordinates, that there's going to be an x value and a y value. I'm going to start with the x value, and I notice it goes from 6 up to 38. Now there's nothing wrong here because we know they're squares, so it's going to be the same gap each time. We're just doing a little bit of trial and error. If this square was 2 units long, the x would go from 6, the x value would go from 6 up to 8, then up to 10, 12, 14, which isn't 38. So if it was 3, that would go to 9, then 12, then 15. Nope, it's not 3. So when seeing the gap goes from 6 up to 38, that's the x coordinate raises from 6 up to 38, which is a gap of 32. And there's 1, 2, 3 places for it to stop, and 4 runs. So there's 1 run, 2 run, 3 runs, 4 runs, accounting for 32 units. So 32 divided by those 4 runs is 8. So if I add on 8 each time, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, 22 plus 8 is 30, 30 plus 8 is 38. Don't forget the x coordinate down here. It's going to be the same as the one up there because this is the x coordinate. This isn't changing. We can see we've worked out the x coordinate is going to be 22. Now I can't use the same method for the y coordinate because C here is halfway down a square, or 1/3 of a way down a square. We can't tell. What I do know though, and I'm going to change colour, is that the length of each side of the square is 8 units, because we've just worked that out from the x. So if I can take 8 from 36, I get 28. So the coordinate here is 38, 28. This coordinate is going to be 8 less again the y coordinate, and it's going to be 30, 20. C is the same height, same y value as the coordinate here, so the value of C is going to be 20. So the overall coordinates are 22, 20. And when you get a question like this, write on the diagram. It will certainly help you unpick the logic behind it. Don't forget, if you're finding these videos useful, please subscribe.